Ever wondered if there's a hidden cost to your rental home? Let's dive into the world of hidden rental fees, a deceptive practice that has recently come under fire. The Federal Trade Commission, the nation's consumer protection agency, has prepared a civil lawsuit against GREYSTAR Real Estate Partners. And why is that? Well, GREYSTAR, the largest apartment landlord in the U.S., is accused of engaging in deceptive pricing practices and failing to disclose certain fees to prospective tenants. Imagine signing a lease, expecting to pay a certain amount each month, only to find unexpected charges tacked onto your bill. These hidden charges, we're talking about things like pest control and trash collection, services you typically expect to be included in your rent. But it's not just about the undisclosed fees. The lawsuit also highlights lease termination charges that lock tenants into paying more than the advertised cost. That's right, you could end up paying more even if you decide to leave. So, what does this mean for you as a renter? The FTC's legal battle against GREYSTAR isn't just about one company, it's about a broader crackdown on hidden fees. This fight is led by none other than the Federal Trade Commission. Under the firm leadership of Chair Lina Khan and the current Biden administration, they've made it their mission to expose hidden fees across various industries, and they're not pulling any punches. This isn't just about real estate, it's about every industry where consumers could be unknowingly paying more than they bargained for. The FTC has taken a major step by finalizing a rule that outright bans these hidden fees. However, there's an important exception: the multifamily sector. That's right, landlords and real estate companies were initially exempt from this rule. Now, you might be thinking, why would they exclude such a crucial sector? Well, landlord trade groups initially viewed this exclusion as a victory, a win for their industry. But what about the renters? The everyday people just trying to find a place to call home? But the FTC hasn't forgotten about them. That's why they're taking legal action against GREYSTAR, the largest apartment landlord in the U.S., sending a clear message to the entire sector. This fight is about ensuring transparency and fairness for all renters, and they won't stop until they achieve just that. In light of these developments, what should you, as a tenant, do? The recent lawsuit against GREYSTAR Real Estate Partners, the largest apartment landlord in the U.S., serves as a stark reminder that vigilance is key when it comes to rental agreements. Don't just skim over the fine print, scrutinize it, ask questions. Demand clarity about all costs involved. If a fee seems suspicious, do not hesitate to challenge it. Remember, a rental agreement is not just about paying your rent on time, it's also about understanding what you're paying for. Understanding your rights as a tenant is paramount. Know that you have the right to transparency and fair pricing. In the wake of the GREYSTAR case, where hidden fees were allegedly levied on unsuspecting tenants, it's more important than ever to demand these rights. And if you suspect you've been overcharged, don't just stand by. Take action. Consult with legal counsel or reach out to tenant rights organizations. Your voice matters and can make a difference in ensuring fair practices in the rental housing industry. Remember, knowledge is power. Arm yourself with it and demand your rights as a tenant.